This is day 10 of trying to speak without using any filler words. Today, I got dressed. These are the same clothes I was wearing last night. I am at home, but I'm just really frustrated and overwhelmed due to academic pressure. And I think in one of my sessions, my therapist said, if you feel like you're out of place, 'cause that's what I'm feeling right now, um, just try to do something at least for 30 minutes that you really like so that you feel less overwhelmed, and that from what you're getting overwhelmed by. So I got, I wore rings, jewelry, and I did a little bit of makeup, and now I'm feeling much, much better. And yeah, it's just usually I would